Welcome to Actual Scale Modelling. This is part 7 of Academy's US Navy Fighter F-14A, scale is 148. Part 7 is the final reveal, so a little bit about the kit before we get into this. This kit is an excellent kit for beginners if you've never built this type of aircraft before. It's really basic to put together and everything fits really well. And there's enough scope in it here for mid-term to expert builders as well. So it's a very good kit to get. The only real problem I had with the kit was the decals themselves. As I said in the previous video, they were very thick and they didn't lay down properly. Not even with the softening agent like Microsol. There's other softening agents out there, of course. That's just the one I prefer to use. But that's where the expert builder comes in. You can do your own decals for it. I know I sometimes do. Although I wouldn't call myself an expert builder, especially when it comes to aircraft. There is a little bit of room in the cockpit to add your own take on it as well. As I said, there's no decals for the instrument panel, so a beginner would struggle painting in these decals for that. But I know you can get aftermarket parts for this kit for the cockpit, and I would advise you getting that if you've never built the F-14 before and you want a really nice looking finish. These aftermarket parts really do add a lot to your model. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for my other builds? If you subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you will do, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be kept up to date with all my builds in the future. I've got a few builds coming up now, so keep an eye open for them. So don't forget to hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment, and of course you can share the video. So all that's left is you to have a look at the final reveal video. I hope you really enjoy it as much as I enjoyed building this kit. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.